The accelerators. These are the drugs of ambition. They are banned at all times because they turn the human body into a machine it was never meant to be. Under this category, we have the anabolic agents, aka the muscle boosters. Think of your muscle growth as a speed limit. Anabolic agents, the most famous of which are steroids and drugs like nandrolone, remove that limit entirely. They are artificial versions of hormones like testosterone. We saw this substance famously sideline legends like Pep Guardiola and Edgar Davies in the early 2000s, both of whom received bans for nandrolone. But your body is not built for a jet engine. Consequences are terrifying: heart enlargement, liver damage, and uncontrollable aggression. The second category under accelerators are peptide hormones, aka the endurance cheat. If anabolic agents are about power, peptide hormones are about stamina. The simple explanation is that your body has red blood cells, which are like tiny trucks that deliver oxygen to your muscles. EPO tells your body to make way more trucks than normal. More oxygen means your legs don't burn out, your energy never drops, and you can play 90 minutes like it's the first five. It's a modern, unfair endurance cheat recently proven by the 4-year ban handed to Croatian midfielder Mario Vuskovic after testing positive for EPO. The health risk is severe, putting players at risk of high blood pressure and blood clots because their blood becomes too thick. The mind modifiers: focus, fearlessness, and pain. These substances tamper with a player's focus, reaction time, and ability to feel pain. They are banned primarily in competition because they disrupt the integrity of players' mental state. A category under mind modifiers are stimulants, aka the adrenaline rush. Substances like amphetamine or even the notorious cocaine fall into this category. They are the ultimate hype man for your nervous system. Stimulants fire up your brain, make you feel alert, aggressive, and completely unfazed by fatigue. The most infamous case is the legend Diego Maradona, who was banned in 1991 for cocaine use while playing for Napoli, a drug that is both illegal and a powerful stimulant. This drug pushed the heart rate dangerously high, risking heart failure just for a fleeting edge in a 50-50 challenge. The second category under the mind modifiers are narcotics, the pain erasers. Powerful painkillers like morphine are banned in competition. Their sole purpose is to completely turn off the pain signal. A player with a serious ankle injury who should be on the bench could numb the area and play through the pain. This is banned because it prioritizes a single match over the player's entire career, risking catastrophic permanent injury. The maskers, hiding the truth. These are arguably the most cynical class of banned substances because their only job is to deceive the anti-doping system. They are banned at all times. A category under this is diuretic and maxing agents, aka the test cheats. The most powerful agent here is furosemide, a powerful diuretic. The simple explanation: diuretics make you urinate constantly. Why would a footballer want that? Because by flushing the body with rapid water loss, they dilute the urine sample. This dramatically lowers the concentration of any other illegal drugs like steroids or EPO in the test tube, making it harder for the lab to detect. Goalkeeper Andre Onana was famously banned for a year after mistakenly taking his wife's furosemide pill. Though he claimed it was an honest mistake, it was still ruled an anti-doping violation. They are illegal because their sole purpose is to deceive the anti-doping system. The central takeaway is the concept of strict liability. That is, all responsibility falls on the player, whether there is an intent to take the substance or not, and the consequence is certain. This harsh system is maintained to uphold the integrity of the game and protect both the health of the athlete and the fundamental principle that success is achieved through clean competition.